So the nature deficit disorder was a term coined by a journalist called Richard Louv very recently in 2005. And he was basically studying the fact that children are spending lesser and lesser time in nature. They're not engaging with the outdoors as much as maybe the earlier generations did. And that is adding to stress, anxiety, and the fact that mental health and physical health is being affected by it. And our basic connection to nature has been destroyed. So the nature deficit disorder, there is a deficit of nature, and that is causing disorders that we can't even put a finger on. So I'll change that. I wouldn't say it is a suffering, because we are just addressing the fact that there is just not enough access to nature. And that's a two-part question. Watching it on TV is certainly not, they're learning something new. They aren't engaging with nature. Putting your feet in the soil, putting your hands in the mud are all part of actually engaging with nature. Now, if that means in an urban society or community they have access only to a manicured lawn, and is that the best option? No. But it's an entry-level engagement with nature. It's an entry-level engagement with, okay, I'm not just watching this on TV, right? However, there needs to be, it's multifold. There needs to be not just engagement with nature, but also allowing them to really be with nature freely and acknowledge that soil is not dirt, that the outdoors are not a filthy place, that we don't, mati ghane, that soil is dirty. So let's wash our hands. And we had done a workshop with children about this, that what is soil, and everybody says it's life and it is, very helpful for plants, but then I'm still going to dust it off my bum and I'm still going to wash my hands from it. Then we are not connected with the two. Yes, it can have contaminants, and again that's another conversation, but the fact that we are not looking at nature as a part of nature. We think it's still a separate thing. I send my child into the lawn to play is a flawed argument. It is where your child should spend most of their time, in the outdoors. I sent them for an hour every day is like, okay, this is another tuition or a class that the child engages in. I think in the generations in the last maybe few decades, we are becoming more and more distant to the idea of nature. We are becoming more and more urbanized, and the fact that having a plant in a pot also needs to look a certain way and it needs to be manicured. When people come to the farm, they say, "Yaar to bahut hi jungle hai." And I've asked a few people, what does that mean? He's like, "Nahi, ye bahut raw hai." So everything needs to now be manicured and planned in a certain way. So I think phobia is a very strong word to use, but yeah, I do think that people's idea of nature is a very, just like our lives need to be, they need to be structured, they need to be planned, they need to be in boxes, they need to be very manicured, very immaculate. Nature also needs to be the same way.